come on then. Hired help, Phil. Dr. Phil, is it?
Dr. Phil?
Dr. Phil in the house? What are you doing, Dr. Phil? Turn the handle.
Oh, it's been too long since I've...
Under the dashboard, the little handle.
There we go.
You might be a doctor, but it's still thick as... So you have to lift the battery up and slide it in.
When was the last time I bloody...
When I was 17, you got it back to front, turn it around, Philip. Is it that way it goes? Yes. Slide it in that way. You have to lift it up and slide it in.
I'm moving the bloody wires out of the way before they start bloody moaning at me.
Oh my gosh. You can tell he's a beginner, can't you? Isn't that perfect?
Where are these quick release clips?
You just have hold of one then. What? You've got hold of one now. Push it down, give it a turn left to right. That's it. Now we go and get some petrol.
Where's the key?
It's in my pocket. Look at his wrist action there. You can tell he's right-handed, can't you? What are you going to do?
Eh?
What are you going to do?
Gonna see the last time you put petrol in it. Yes, it was definitely refined in January. Transported. 1st of February. Yeah, last used.
He's good, isn't he? You know, fair days, he's good.
Oh, about 2 days before you fell off the bike. Yeah.
That looks fucking beautiful with a post in the way. You feeling deflated?
Indeed.
Or are you tired?
I'm a little bit of both. Well, I'm just admiring this tyre that hasn't gone down.
That's good because you're covering the flat bit at the bottom. Oh, have you lost the valve? Oh dear, it has gone down, hasn't it? Broken it now.
Could have been a little bit of a bugger if I push that all the way in.
Oh no, have you shut the paint now? Oh, you haven't shut the paint, no, it's not on yet.
You know what we need?
Yeah, to put it on and then press go.
A pair of bloody pliers so the sodden thing doesn't go.
I'd love to help, but it's gone down very fast, hasn't it? 2 weeks and it's flat. I'm guessing that's happened when it's been sandblasted. I was hoping that it was just
off and running.
Air between the tube and the tyre coming out, but it seems to be flat. So I think we need a new tube. Oh dear.
Well, you don't know.
It's been blown up, so we'll just have to put the bit of wood under it again, Philip, when we moved it to save any other problems. About 30 psi will be good, or 2 bar. If you want to go to 35. Don't put it too hard, it's got a leak. It's looking better already. Oh, he's even putting the valve cap back on. Oh, what a professional.
I might have gone the dangerous side of 30.
Oh God.
On the exciting side, gone up to 32.
There's lots of tyres to go pop.
Just to make sure.
Well, come on then. Listen to the old man on his knees. Open the drain tap, old bean. Oh, don't waste that expensive stuff.
Look at it.
Is it coming out? Is it fast? Is it furious? We need to.
Well, it won't be that fast and furious. No bloody fuel in the tank yet.
I thought you put petrol in it.
What? When you went, I'm not filming yet. You need to get the full experience.
Oh, we're getting that all right. Don't put too much in. We don't want to weigh it down.
If you bought it, there won't be much in there.
Bought a full can at the time. What's 50p a litre then? Are you mixing up that pre-mix 2-stroke? Oh. I told you, Philip, how far do you think you're going? You have to drain it back out again because it leaks. It's like the tyre.
Another quality product by this.
No expense spared on this channel, Philip. Gonna show us
At this point, I'd just like to say hello to Lisa's one subscriber. Hello!
With this video, we might have a note behind it. With our star guest.
Sorry we're going to lose you.
Still struggling with that lid. He's going to scratch the toe in eye. He is, he's going to scratch it. Here we go, Dr. Phil, Dr. Phil! Like Star Trek, innit? He can't find reverse. There you go! Down a bit! Down a bit! Down! Bit more! There you go! Out of giving up! He's not bad at that, is he? Pin in, hydraulics down. Put the pin in. Hey! Off you go! Oh, look at this lovely trailer. With tyres that don't hold air. What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
Say walking back and getting a hammer. Anything?
No.
Hammer it is then.